This is today's Indian Express, and there is a interesting news related to 22 de-addiction centers. We all know that in the Punjab there is a big problem of drug addiction, and the government is working on that. Now, interestingly, the 22 de-addiction centers are owned by just one person. One doctor is there, and interestingly, he was part of de-addiction centers, and 22 he owned, and he shown the fake data, and from the government he took a lot of facilities, and he took the medicine for the addiction and shown the fake data, a lot of medicines, and sold in the open market. So actually he was contributing for addiction. So the news is like this, that there was an allegation that fake patient was shown and more drugs took he, and then it is sold in the open market. And this is what 22 private de-addiction centers was. No, the owner is only this one person, Dr. Amit Bansal. And the thing is that, like, misuse of tablets and many things. And the government, what happens, government gives it to the free in the government centers, whereas the private sector, private de-addiction centers, government expect that they should charge 40 rupees per pill, but in the open market it is having much more value. So for the sake of that, he was showing inflated patient, and he was taking on that pretext the medicines, and he was selling in the open market. And the de-addiction drug is this buprenorphine and naloxone combination. So this was the problem, and this was the pill, and he misused his position, power, status. Interestingly, the authorities which are regulating, controlling the Food and Drug Administration, but what is they say that when they check when the complaint comes. So this is interesting, and they says that this private checking and all that stuff is actually extra workload for them, they consider. So that's the reason the things are happening, and this is how the things happens. And it is therefore very important to have moral duties and rationalities. Just acts and rules cannot control this kind of the problems.